Hey guys, what is up? My name is John Renait and you are now watching Renait Reborn. So as you can tell by the title, today I have some preview images from my last shoot. So if you've watched my last video, you'll know that I was invited by a Instagrammer, a stylist, a makeup artist to attend a photo shoot where I was actually a model. I was a groom. We did a fake wedding. We did a fake wedding shoot, which was absolutely amazing to be a part of. So this video is going to be super short. It's just going to be some preview images from the last shoot because I did promise you guys to show you some photos once they're done. I'm super excited to show you these photos. They're edited perfectly. We worked, the photographer, her name was Molly. I'm going to put everybody's Instagram up here somewhere. I just want to say a massive thank you to Molly, a massive thank you to Luke, who was the videographer as well, and a massive thank you to Laura and Melinda. She was the organizer for the shoot as well. So here goes. Hope you guys like the preview photos. Tell me which one's your favorite. I'm blown away by the professionalism that I experienced at this photo shoot, and it's definitely made me increase my standards and practice and want to host events just like that. Next week Thursday I will be attending another shoot, so I'm definitely pushing my modeling career, which is nice. I mean, 2020 hasn't been the best year to try to pursue a modeling career. If you want to see some of my previous shots or shoots, you can go to my John Renait Instagram handle, Instagram page, or you can go to my Renait Reborn Instagram page. I'll put them both up here. You can go and have a look at my work, and you can go have a look at my modeling stuff. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching these photos. I enjoyed being a part of it. I just want to say again a massive thank you to Laura, Molly, Melinda and Luke for making this day absolutely amazing and just treating us really well and producing high quality images. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay safe, stay blessed, peace.
I be struggling, trying to make it out this world. I be juggling, trying to find my own soul.
Trying to find my soul, bro. I ain't going outside, bro. Got a family, and I still wanna be a bro. Looking